Hey guys, it's Erin. Welcome back to cutepolish. For this first nail idea, I'm painting my nail with the slate blue-gray color. Then I'm taking an Allen wrench that you usually find in those packages to build furniture, and I'm going to be using that as a makeshift dotting tool. Since it has a slightly larger end, I'm using the dotting tool to make large petals for big flowers all across my nail. I'm going to do 5 dots of purple in a circle to create my first flower and then fill in the center with the purple as well. Then once the purple is dry, I'm going back in with the same wrench and a yellow color, and I'm adding a dot to the center of the flower. Finish with top coat, and there you have an easy nail art design with a makeshift dotting tool. For this design, I chose a sparkly teal base. And then another household item that you can use for nail art is a toothpick. It's a great tool, and in this case I'm using it as a dotting tool as well to make tiny dots going all around the edge of my nail with a gold metallic polish. Finish with top coat, and there you have a chic looking design, and all you needed was a toothpick. For this idea, I'm painting my nail purple to start. Then I'm just going to be taking a regular paper towel and folding it up. Instead of using a nail art sponge, you can use a paper towel to create gradients. In this case, I'm doing a glitter gradient, so I'm painting some glitter onto the paper towel and giving it a second to absorb the base of the polish so just the glitter is left. Then I'm dabbing the edge of that paper towel onto my nail to make a glitter gradient, with the glitter getting more sparse as I get towards my cuticle. Repeat this process as many times as you need for a nice glitter coverage, and then finish with top coat. And there you have glitter gradient nails, and you didn't even need a sponge. For this design idea, I'm painting my nail with a sheer neutral polish. Then I'm just going to be taking an earring, and I'm going to use the post of that earring as a dotting tool. This really just shows you can use anything you want as a nail art tool, or especially a dotting tool. So I'm going to be taking a white nail polish and using that earring post to create a squiggly line of dots in various sizes all across my nail. Finish with top coat to complete this fun abstract design. For this next nail, I'm painting my nail white. Then just take some regular Saran wrap and crumple it up. Saran wrap makes a great tool to create marble nails. I'm going to take a gray nail polish and paint it onto the Saran wrap that I crumpled up. You can dab it on a paper towel first to make sure there's not too much polish on it, and then you just want to dab it in different directions all across your nail. This is kind of going to create the marbled and irregular pattern. And then you can just keep going back in with white and gray until you're happy with how the marble looks. Finish your marble nails with top coat. Next nail hack is a great way to use a household item to get a nice even application on your nails. If you're not great at painting inside the lines on your nails, apply a little bit of Vaseline around your cuticle before you polish. The Vaseline will act like a barrier and make it easier to clean up nail polish that you might have gotten around the edges of your nails. For this hack, I'm just using an eyebrow spoolie brush. And this can be used as a really cool dry brush tool. So I'm taking the spoolie and dipping it into nail polish, making sure there's not too much on the brush, and then just running it across my nail in different directions with different colors to create a cross-hatched dry brush nail. You can repeat this as many times as you want with as many colors as you want until you're happy with the pattern. Then just clean up any mess with a Q-tip dipped in acetone. And finish your design with top coat. The household item I'm using for this next nail is just a plastic takeout fork. Once again, anything can be a dotting tool, so I'm going to take the tines of this fork and using it as a dotting tool to create a dotted gradient up my nail. Use heavier pressure to create larger dots towards the tip of your nail and lighter pressure to create smaller dots towards your cuticle. I'm repeating this with 2 colors and making sure that the dots are evenly distributed. And finishing the nail with top coat. And there you have your dotted fork nails. I'm painting my nail white again for this one. Then this step is important. I'm going to apply a layer of top coat and let it dry completely to make sure that my base is completely dry before the next step. Then if you have any painter's tape lying around from another household project, you can use this for nail art too. I'm going to take that painter's tape and cut out a shape that I want. In this case, I want a little triangle. I'm going to stick it firmly down onto my dry nail. And then just use that to do some color blocking nails with 2 shades of green. While the polish is still wet, peel off the painter's tape. And finish your color blocking nails with top coat. And this nail I'm going to be painting with a deep blue. The next household item you can use for this nail idea is a toothbrush. So I'm just taking a clean toothbrush and I'm going to be using that as a tool to make some splatter nails. Just dip the toothbrush into whatever color you'd like for the dots. In this case I went for a white, so it kind of looked like a starry night design over the blue. And gently flick the bristles of the toothbrush to splatter the polish across your nail. You can repeat this as many times as you'd like, and then once everything is dry, finish your splatter nails with a top coat. And all you needed was a toothbrush. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to see more from cutepolish, you can click the boxes here, or click the circle here to subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail channel.